Hello guys, it's your boy here, Way to Meal, with another interesting video. So basically everybody knows um, my strategy is a break and retest strategy, so let's get right into the video. I got here like 1, 2, I'm gonna delete Bitcoin because I'm not interested in 4 pairs. We got 4 pairs right here, and every single day what I'm doing, I'm making a plan. So basically, let's just grab the pen, and I will let you know the way how I trade. Waiting for Asia to do their own stuff. Yeah, I'm taking the high, the low, and on the higher time frame bias. Yeah, I get the bias for the day. So basically, if my daily time frame is up, yeah, what I'm gonna expect either this price action to come here, to fake below, then break above, break this high, retest, and here I'm gonna take a long. And what I'm gonna target those highs, the Asia high, yeah. And same stuff. If the price goes break above, comes and retest, I'm gonna take a buy from here as well. I'm gonna put the stop below here, and I'm gonna target either this high, either something above. Yeah, so that's kind of my strategy. It's very simple, it's nothing too complicated, so we'll see how everything goes. Yeah, on the price action, the way how I'm starting analyzing my charts, yeah, I open all the time a daily chart. So let's start with this. We open. Basically, we can see we're going up, yeah. But to the fact that I'm open the position on the 5 minutes time frame, yeah, I need basically to know the price action from previous day. So basically, if the previous day it was bearish, yeah, today I'm gonna expect a bearish move, yeah. So let's just see as an example what it can be, yeah. I'm gonna make as well a quick review what it could happen and what it could not happen, yeah. So let's see, for example, yesterday it was bearish move, yeah. So my bias is short for today, yeah. Let's get to the 5 minutes, yeah. And what do we see right here? This is the Asia high, sorry, and Asia low. Let's just drag that to the left side, and we'll see if, yeah, you see, it's being respected. Bounce, break, retest, went down. So this area is a good area, yeah. So basically, what I was expecting today, yeah, definitely not this move. I won't take right now a retest to go up, because my bias, we already know, my bias is down. So I'm gonna wait this price action to come down, yeah, then to retest this zone. Either I can extend this one to make it like that, like a break a retest, yeah. I'm gonna wait this zone to be breaking, and here I'm gonna take a short. What's gonna be my targets? My target is gonna be the Asia low, so that's gonna be at 278 RR. It's pretty decent. If just in case, it won't give me the retest, yeah, and it's just gonna do like that. I'm just gonna go down, hit my TP. It's not a problem. It bounces. It's all about the time. If it's gonna be the Asia session, I won't take the trade, but if it's gonna be like fast in the New York session, I'm gonna take it. And if it's gonna break this one from here, I'm gonna take again a short. So basically, my plan for the day, yeah, is simple. Take the bias, get the bias. So basically, we know we are bullish. I'm gonna wait for those sort of price action to do, yeah? Break, come back here to the zone, retest, go down. Either I was expecting to come here to break it, retest it, and then take these lows. Something like that. Or maybe a lower low. That's gonna be my bias. We got 2 trades a day, no more than that. Let's get to the GBP USD. Yeah, let's get to the GBP USD. So on the GBP USD, yeah, what do we have right here? If we're going on the daily time frame, yeah. Oh my days, man, I got some tons of stuff right here. So basically yesterday has been a bearish, yeah, but we are kind of sitting under support, and overall we are going up. Everybody can see, so most likely it's gonna be up, but that's gonna be like those trades where I'm not gonna risk too much, yeah. So anyway, if here was a bearish day, I'm gonna here still expect the bearish day. So my plan, yeah, is to highlight the edge high, edge low, and how we can see on the left hand side, this one is being retested. Support, resistance, break, a little bit of support, resistance, support. So it's a pretty nice area, yeah. Same here, right here, you can see, yeah, it's been respected. So we good, yeah. So my plan for the day, yeah, is not to take from here alone, because it looks perfect as a break and retest strategy, but I'm not gonna wait just for the break, for the retest, and then to take it down. Here I was expecting either to come down, to break, retest, and then go down. Yep, that's my plan, 2 trades a day. And I go GBP JPY, same stuff, guys, same stuff. Here was a chance basically today. Let me just grab removing drawings. Same stuff, we see here is a strong, we're going up overall on the daily, so that's Gucci. And what do we see here? Yesterday has been a bullish run, so today I'm gonna expect a bullish run, obviously. So what I'm gonna expect, we could expect, yeah, we could expect break, you see, break, retest. You could grab here like that, put it like this way, under this one, just to be below zone, and you could target it this high, 3R. You could make even pay, just to be fair, here 1.39. Still is a profit, guys. Yeah, still is a profit. Even here, yeah, you see, come here, below, change of character, whatever, break of structure, the price is going up. You could wait right now, this one to come here, take the long, price just here, and targeting those high again. So there's gonna be 1 to 2 risk to reward. It's pretty decent. Either I was waiting the price to come here, break it, come back into the zone, break some structure, take like that, oops, and take a long, and take to the next zone, which is 3R. It's pretty decent. And same stuff. Oh my days, man. I'm trying to figure out here some stuff. I'm testing some new strategy, but it doesn't really work. But anyway, let's go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, what it says. is bearish. Yesterday is been bearish. So if yesterday is been bearish, today I'm gonna expect a bearish move. Yeah. What do we see, guys? Let's see. What do we see? What do we see? I'm gonna be just completely transparent, yeah? So what do we see right here, yeah? You go like 2 trades a day, guys. 2 trades, yeah? I'm gonna wait for the break, for the comeback, for the retest, yeah? And you see here it's been a proper retest, yeah? You could put somewhere here or here and targeting those lows. And went above, stop me out. Fair enough, guys, because this is a forex game. You never be without losses. But then came here. Right now, what we can expect to come here and then to take it down. Simple as that. Simple as that. Boom, boom. And you have to take only 2 trades a day, guys. And it's 2.8. It's 2.8. Same here stuff. Same here. Come here, break, retest, go down. Simple. 2 trades a day. Either you're taking this one and this one, either you wait for this one, and if for example it goes down and here it doesn't give you no retest, yeah, and it goes down, bounces down, retest, you put the sell, the short, put here like above the highs and targeting down. Simple. Simple. That's what is my expectation is every single day, guys. That's very simple. That's very, very simple. You see yesterday, oops, you see yesterday, let's just take a look my trades from yesterday. From yesterday, if Friday is being a bearish and plus bearish engulfing, yeah, I'm gonna expect yesterday to be a short day. So what happened yesterday, guys? Let's see. I'm always deleting all the stuff, yeah, but what actually happened yesterday, guys? Very simple. Very simple. Fake above, break, retest. You could put it right here just to be safe. You see, I'm always looking into the left, so I'm seeing here a high. So I'm gonna put my stop above this high, and I'm gonna targeting those lows. And you can take 3.5 easily, but it doesn't really matter, guys. Even like that, yeah. What happened here? You see, on the Asia, I said on the Asia I won't trade because it's gonna be the next day kind of move already, so I won't take. But if, for example, this price action would become into London, break it and then retest. Even here, yeah, you can see break, kind of fake out, and then you could grab like here, like that, put a stop somewhere above. If you feel, I wouldn't take this type of, because I don't consider that as a break, but if you take that, it's been faked out as well. So you can literally just wait, yeah. You see here, and then you see this candlestick is a pretty nice. You put above those highs, and you're just targeting whoever. This low by 0.48. Let's just see where is the next lows. Is right here. Is right here. The next lows. So that's gonna be 0.9. Okay, let's just move then to the next. And it came targeting 2R, and it hit right to the peep, because above the daily highs is always tons of liquidity. It's not here, it's not here, it's literally here and here. So that's why I trade on base of. So yeah, guys, that's the strategy that works perfectly for me, and I encourage you to try, at least give a try. It won't be, it's not too hard. You just looking the previous day what happened, and you just execute today's day. Because I tried like to make like those kind of swings and all this stuff, but it doesn't work all the time like that. And you can understand because when you're checking the bias, on the daily time frame, yeah, you can see. For example, I wasn't too confident to, for example, let's just say from here, the price action from here, yeah, you know for a fact here was a break of structure, and you see bearish, no, you wouldn't take those 2 days trade. And then this one is the 3rd day, you see a small bullish candle. So I would expect on this day to be bullish, 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 yeah. And then when I would see the bearish, yeah, the next day I wouldn't take it. But then when it's bullish again, I'm gonna take bullish, 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 then bearish. I wouldn't take bearish. Maybe I would take here a loss, but who knows? I don't know what happened. It can be here the break, retest, high, and then it closes bearish, yeah. So I wouldn't take here, I wouldn't take a trade. Here I wouldn't take a trade. Here I would take a trade. Here I might would take a loss. Here I wouldn't take. Here I would take. I wouldn't take. Here I might would take, but would be a loss. But then again, guys, who knows? Maybe here I don't know the price action, because sometimes even when it's been a bearish, yeah, bullish, sorry, and you know the price goes up, the price still got this power to put it up, even if the day has been bearish, yeah. The price action, you could manage to get a winner, yeah. Same here, I wouldn't take here, then I would take maybe a loss here, and that's the losing streak comes in, you see. And then you got like bearish, bullish, sorry, and then you take your win, then you take your win again, then you may gonna take a loss, you don't take a trade, you don't take a trade, then you take 2 trades in a row, yeah. And that's like 2-3 hours, guys, 2-3 hours, 1.5, doesn't really matter. You cover up all those losses, yeah. And then you see here bearish, then you see bearish. Now I'm gonna wait, because overall we're going up, and we're gonna wait for today's date to be bullish, and then tomorrow I'm gonna take longs, after tomorrow I'm gonna take longs, until it gets again bearish. You get the point? So basically that's my bias, but I'm gonna make a better review on that like later on. So yeah, guys, that's kind of is my strategy, and I encourage you to try out, because that's very simple and is worth it to spend time to develop this strategy, because the break and retest, everybody makes money on break and retest strategies. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, and comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye.